What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, my name is Colin Bracken, and we wrecked my 2020 F350 Power Stroke. So if you're returning, maybe you follow me on TikTok or any other platform, but this is the first time I've told YouTube, actually. I'm now just realizing that I wrecked my truck. So somebody ran into the back of me while I was on the freeway. I had come to a stop. They were texting, ran into the back of me, did some damage to my tailgate, did some damage to my bumper, as you can tell, and did some damage down here to my receiver. As you can kind of see, my hitch there is a little crooked. So WaySafe Hitch really kept us safe from this accident. If you want to see the video of the car and the truck, well, I guess I could just put it right here up on the screen.
All right, so on our way down to work today, we get in a little accident. We're on the freeway. The second one from the exit. Looks like a cop, an undercover cop just got hurt. Or a paramedic, maybe? All right, well, we got everything filled out. We got a fire truck here. We got a couple cops here to help us out. Paramedic. You doing all right? Everyone's gonna walk away from this accident okay, even though it's a situation. I mean, you know what? It is what it is. It's part of driving. I'm glad everyone's okay. Now for what happens to the Ford, I don't really know. I will update you guys, continue to update you guys as soon as we know what's gonna happen to here. I'll give you guys just one more quick look. If I would have had this hitch up maybe like a little higher, WaySafe could have saved the day. But I mean, look at that hitch, did pretty well, held up pretty well. The rest of the truck, we may have to go with some flog bumpers now. I don't really know. I guess we'll see what happens. But again, I'm glad that we are all safe, all okay. Yeah, so anyway, he was driving a Mercedes. Luckily, he had insurance, and the new bumper just got here today. So I want to show you guys. I went with the body armor bumper. This was a great deal. It was only like $870 shipped. The only other bumper I was looking for or looking into was the Bodyguard A2 bumper. The only other one I really liked. So now we're going to go ahead and get this removed. My initial thought was that I was going to paint match this, but it already came primed black. So I'm going to throw it on here and see what it would look like black. And maybe we go black wheels and we start doing like more black on the truck. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below what you think. I'm going to hurry and get this bumper off. So I'm going to remove these 21mm bolts right here. I'm going to pull this bumper off and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, so we got the rear bumper off, and this is what it looks like. So you can see there's no damage or buckling up here. There's no damage or buckling up here in the frame that you can see. Tires sitting right where it's supposed to. Everything's looking straight. This is the only thing I'm thinking is bent or tweaked a little bit because of the way that the hitch is sitting. But if you look, there is a little slack in there, and I can kind of lift that up a little bit. So I don't know. We're gonna have to get this thing measured up, but first let's throw the bumper on. We're gonna pull these little brackets off with these 4 bolts, and we'll catch you in just a sec. All right, so we got the old bumper torn apart. We got everything out of there. We got all the bumper support pieces pulled apart. We did get the wiring harness out. We've got all of our sensors routed. I do have new sensor actual plugs on the way. So we've got the wires routed, we've got the lights plugged in, we've got the trailer plugged there, and then the key lock for the, So we've got everything ready to go. I'm gonna have Sam come help me lift this thing on. We'll get the bolts put in and we'll see what this thing looks like. Alrighty, so we got this thing all put on, and I think it looks really, really good, but I think it would look a lot better white. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the bolts torqued on and everything. that kind of wraps it up for today's video. Pretty short, pretty simple. I'm not really like, wow, this is the best bumper I've ever seen. Like that fit, like right there, like I've got to do something right there. Maybe Next Level Mats could make me some, guys, so it's been a few days since I've been running this bumper, and I've actually really liked it. I've put it to the test a couple times. I've been using it. I've been climbing up on it, and I've been dropping my tailgate down. I've seen if it moved at all, and overall, I'm very impressed with it. So I really like the bumper that I put on there. I'll put the link down in the description in case you guys are interested, and also I'll drop the link for the WaySafe hitches down below if you guys are interested as well. I do get a discount for all my followers through them, so I'll put the discount code down there as well for you guys. But just a couple reasons why I went with this bumper. One, starting off, the price. The price was really great on it. It was $860, just the way that it is, the way that you see it right now, without all the dirt and stuff from the Utah roads. But it's been raining here for like 4 days, so give me a break. I know the truck is dirty. But the other reason why I went with it is looks. It doesn't look all huge and like oversized for the truck. I think it looks really good myself. It's not overdone, so that's another reason why I went with it. Another reason why I went with it was availability. They had it shipped into me in 4 days within payment, so that was a good deal. Most of the other bumpers were like 6 to 8 weeks out. Another reason why I went with it is these cube light availabilities in the back. So if I want more light for backing up, I can throw those in there as well. And last but not least, the side steps are another reason why I went with this bumper. Those little inserts there so that you can step on them. And when I get this thing painted white, I'm not going to want to step on here. So I'll paint that white, and then I'll actually probably do something and make that black so that it stands out. I don't really know. I guess we'll see. I do think I'm going to get it paint matched, though. I've decided it'll look a lot better paint matched. I'm also got some other things coming up for the truck build. I've got, as you can see right there, we've got some exhaust parts for the truck. We've got track bars coming. We've got a 3-link design system for the front. We're going to powder coat the rear springs back here. We're going to powder coat the springs up front to be white. We just put the Starlight headliner in, so I'll show you guys real quick what that looks like. And it is RGB, so we do have all sorts of different colors up here. That turned out really, really great. Thanks, Christian, for helping me install that, and Sam. She really helped out a ton. I just barely put in these switchbacks here, so they're a white LED, and when you hit unlock, you have orange turn signals there. I can also drop the link down in the description for those. I just want to throw a huge shout out again to WaySafe for keeping us safe in this accident. The UHP officer said that if that hitch wasn't on there in the accident, his car could have gone under the truck, done a lot more damage, totaled my truck, or even worse, hurt him or myself. So huge shout out to WaySafe for keeping us safe. If you guys want to see more videos, don't forget to check in, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. On the next video, we are going to be installing my flooring, which turned out really, really good. Get a little peep at this, and you guys aren't going to want to miss the video. I'll link the video right here on top of the screen if you guys want to see that. Until then, we'll catch you next time. Peace out.